boxing's legendary only 8-division champion, has earned his place in the... I am so happy that I have been selected to enter the International Boxing Hall of Fame. The Filipino icon who turned pro at just 16 to lift his family out of poverty, pinnacle of the sport.
Manny Pacquiao at WBC welter champ Mario Barrios, update lang tayo mga par. Ito ang ating pag-uusapan kasi nga kursonada pa rin daw nitong WBC welter champ Mario Barrios itong si Manny Pacquiao na gustong gusto talaga daw niyang makakalaban mga par. Pero nananatiling bukas pa rin sa posibilidad na sumabak muli sa isang world title fight ang nag-iisang 8-division world champion na si Manny Pacman Pacquiao. Kasunod ng intensyon ng kampo ni World Boxing Council o WBC welterweight titleist Mario Il Azteca Barrios na makatapat ang Pinoy boxing legend sa susunod na taon. Sinabi ng trainer ni Barrios na nais nilang sunod na makalaban si Pacman o si unbeaten British boxer Conor the Destroyer Benn sa susunod na laban. Kasunod ng split draw na tapatan kay Mexican-American Abel Ramos na nagtapos sa 112, 114, 113, 113 at 116, 110 noong nakaraang buwan sa undercard ng Jake Paul versus Mike Tyson fight. Bago ang laban kay Ramos, unang planong makaharap sana ni Barrios ang Filipino boxing legend ngayong taon. Subalit hindi nagkaroon ng sunod na pagkalinaw ang naturang laban. Pagkos ay nauwi sa ibang landa si Barrios na pangarap na makaharap ang future Boxing Hall of Famer para sa 147-pound world title fight. Napabalita ang nagkaroon ng kabi-kabilang negosasyon sa dalawang panig patungkol sa planong salpukan ngayong taon. Ilang buwan na ang nakakaraan kung saan planong magbalik mula sa retirement ng 45 anyos na southpaw. Subalit sa hindi maipaliwanag na pangyayari ay nauwi sa wala ang mga negosasyon ng dalawang panig. Ayan par, hindi pala talaga tuloy ang kanilang laban par. Talagang naunsyami par dahil nabaling po ang negosasyon ni Mario Barrios laban kay Ramos mga par. Kaya po sayang po, maganda sanang laban ito mga par. Kaya't balik tanawin na lang natin mga par ang naging laban niya kay Ramos sa naging split draw decision mga par. Ito po ang kanyang laban, panoorin natin laban kay Bilito Ramos.
Straight right hand, right on the jaw. Beautiful right knee. Much bigger man and obvious. What I'm seeing from Barrio, good body shot. Good jab to the body by Barrio, left now in the round. Ramos has a good shot. Oh, there goes a hook, followed by a beautiful right hand. The hook was to make it prove that right. Ramos is all the welterweight champ. 26 of 18 knockouts, 29 wins. And again, you know, again, he's obviously a classy shot by. Now he's trying to go. I really need those punch powers. It's wrong. Having a long tip.
You sure did.
And that's the fourth knockdown of his career. And there's a boom straight right hand that Barrios did not expect to come. Another ones are low for Barrios, and he's getting tagged repeat that. Yeah, he didn't believe that first. He believes it now. Able not to kick, go straight back. Now Barrios is doing the same thing. Oh, good shot. And 4% clip. So the single shots from Barrios not doing this, and he's punching like he wants to win. Right hook, right, oh, straight right here that time. Wow, right around 3 rounds record, or a boxer fighting record. You can set up all that right there. Right shot. Nose is bleeding now too. Oh, good uppercut, my brother. Nice 1, 2, 3, 4 from Barrios. Full jab, and there's does it for you, Roy. Sometimes it does. Final 3 minutes. Good body shot by Barrios. They've landed, knocked. Oh, these two may never be level after all of the losses, but split draw. Katie Taylor and Amanda Serrano 2 years ago. Now has got to figure out.